2013 Corolla in for an MPI. Found the front pads were shot, so let's get this teardown started.
Pass on the lathe. See those patchy spots? That's a warped rotor.
Much better. Now we're cleaning the hubs and greasing the shims. Clean parts don't squeak. Zapping the bracket back on and torquing to specs. No pad slap here. Everything is done by the book. Freshly machined and ready to roll. I'm at 193 subscribers. Help me hit 200 by hitting that button.